Hi friends! Today I'm making fun, easy costumes for Nutrition Month. We'll dress up like yummy, healthy foods. I'll show it, tell what we need, then do it together. Costume 1. Red Apple Show. A big red circle shirt from Pexel's Photos. Red t-shirt, green paper leaf, brown paper stem tape. I put on the red shirt. I tape the leaf and stem to a headband. Crunch, crunch, apple time. Costume 2. Happy Carrot Show. Orange color and green leaves from Pexels. Orange t-shirt, green paper strips, safety tape. I bunch the green strips and tape them to a hat. I wiggle tall like a carrot. Tap, tap, tap. Carrots help me grow. Costume 3. Broccoli Buddy Show. Fluffy green trees from Pexels. Green hoodie, green tissue paper, big tape. I scrunch tissue into puffs and tape them around the hood. I make a tree pose. Broccoli is a tiny tree snack. Costume 4. Milk Carton Show. White box shapes from Pexels. White t-shirt, blue paper stripe, small box for a hat markers. I wrap a blue stripe around the shirt. I draw a happy milk face. I put the little box on top. Sip, sip. Dairy helps our bones. Quick parade. I spin, I wave, I clap. Apple, carrot, broccoli, milk. Healthy foods are colorful and strong. Your turn. Pick a favorite food. Choose safe, soft clothes. Add paper shapes with tape. Smile and dance. Find free images and videos on Pexels.com to help you make your costumes. Be kind, be safe, and have a tasty day. Bye-bye.